We are in an era where everyone shows a perfect face, where only success is allowed to be seen. We are in an era where people claim that humanity is useless and that we will soon be replaced by machines. We are constantly bombarded with ads and trends, making us feel like we are missing something or that there is something inherently wrong with us. We definitely gotta talk. This is Charlie's Reflection, Episode 1, a space where I can speak directly to you, trying to be a helping hand. Alright, so after those rookie mistakes, basically I just forgot to plug in the microphone. I think we can get started with Charlie's Reflections number 1, episode number 1. Basically, Charlie's Reflections is a video series where I just wanted to talk directly right away through the camera, pretending there's, I don't know, there's anyone on the other side of the screen, hopefully. And it's not just an AI scrapping my video and training itself, or like, I don't know, replacing my own, my own content with like, I don't know. So someone else can say like, "Hey, create a Charlie styled video for my media campaign. No mistakes." I don't know. What a crazy world we're living in. Anyways, I'm getting off topic again. Oh god, that's something that happens to me quite often. I think I'm going to leave that on these videos and these series because that's part of who I am. So I would like to you to know me better in that regard as well. No additions, no mistakes, right? Now, what I wanted to discuss with you today is one thing that came up to my mind the other day while talking with one of the junior peers that we have at the company I'm working on right now. And he's basically, I think, falling into the trap of comparing himself with everyone online. And that's something that could happen to all of us. I mean, it had happens to me multiple times during my lifetime. And it's something that social media makes us feel quite often. And that's basically what the engagement algorithm is all about, right? So let's put it like this, right? Let's say that you are this little boy right here. Let's say, all right, this is me. Look at my fabulous drawing skills. All right, and I go to LinkedIn, right? Our favorite network, right? And here I noticed that, I don't know, that Emilia, say hi to Emilia, right? Got a promotion. Congratulations, Emilia. You're great. Great, Emilia. I feel great for you, right? And guess what? Also, Brian. Brian got a promotion too. Woohoo! Everything's looking nice. Now, I exit LinkedIn, I go to IG, Instagram, right? And guess what? I don't know. Someone got married, right? And I live alone. And I live alone in my parents' basement, right? And I'm 31 years old. I don't know, a 31 years old man that lives on his parents' basement, and now that makes me feel like crap, right? And this is the kind of feedback I'm talking about. By the way, great drawing skills there. Alright, so let's get back to the video. Alright, so this is where I think I think this is where the danger spot to be in is. Okay? This is the danger spot. By the way, this is something that therapy helped me a lot into realizing, right? While I felt like this, you know, like I was comparing myself with others on social media. So, in case you're feeling this, go to a therapist, find a good one who makes you feel comfortable to talk with, and that's the best thing you could do, right? So, in this case, let's put it here. This is me again, right? And guess what? This is Amelia. That remember, Amelia got recently got a promotion, and I saw the post on LinkedIn, right? The thing is that if you compare yourself with Amelia for not getting that promotion, that's a pointless comparison. Basically, because Emilia has a different storyline than you, right? And you don't know, you basically don't have the whole story, the whole Emily's story. And Emilia is not sharing the whole story. Emilia is just sharing that she had a great promotion, an awesome promotion. Great for you, Emilia, right? The thing is that Emilia's story or Emilia's lifetime looks something like this. A lot of struggle, a lot of study, opportunities, mistakes after mistake. And then here is the promotion. She's only sharing this part of the story. Also, she's not sharing what her actual story point, the starting point is, right? You don't know how this looks like. Maybe, I don't know, Emilia got more opportunities than you. Maybe Emilia, I don't know, had a good, I don't know, made a good friendship circle on her college that helped her through all of these struggles, right? And you are introvert, so you don't have too many friends to that you can leverage to get a promotion. The thing is, this is why this is a pointless comparison, right? It's like you don't get the whole storyline, and basically your starting point is completely different, and also maybe your stories goes like this and then like this and then like this, and then you get the promotion, right? That's another thing that I wanted to share with you. So, hopefully, by now, you have realized that life is not a point A to point B straight line. That doesn't exist. And I think that's quite a beautiful realization to come through. When you realize that there's no fixed there's no fixed amount of goals that you can accomplish in life, and that actually your priorities are changing and things are changing throughout your lifetime. I think that's what makes life quite interesting and beautiful. I'm going to put an example throughout my own experience, right? I'm only 31 years old, so if there's anyone that is older than me, please share your experience on the comment. I would love to hear about that, right? So, I used to be extremely ambitious, right? Basically, throughout my my young Carlos, the young Charlie, right, was quite ambitious, and basically my dream at that time was to be one of the most powerful CEOs. I remember my son looking at those um, E3 presentation. E3 was Electronic Entertainment Expo, which was basically a presentation that was held on a yearly basis. And it's what it's all about video games, right? I remember looking at those, directives with all those suits, right? And it said, "Oh my gosh, I really want to get direct attention, right? I really want to be a huge directive. I really wanted to, yeah, I really wanted to be like that." And I based my whole teen, let's say early adulthood ages pursuing that golden carrot that, as you can imagine, didn't go well because, let's be honest, let's be clear, being one of the most powerful CEOs is not something that realistically, the most, the average people is going to accomplish, right? And the funny part was that when I had the opportunity of taking one of these, directive and managing career paths, I end up realizing that, hey, you know what? I'm not feeling quite aligned with this. I'm not feeling like this is for me, right? And I pivoted. Now my life's goal is all about my family, and that's something that I hope I never pivot from, right? Now my ultimate goal is to being a present father for my two daughters, right? And my ultimate goal is to do whatever I can to teach them that life is all about pursuing things, but understanding that while you're pursuing those things, the goal is going to pivot and you need to deal with it. Of course, you're going to get frustrated. Why the hell I'm not kidding? I'm not a CEO yet. Why I'm not that powerful CEO that I was supposed to be by 31, right? By that, that was my imagination playing around, right? I was basically my own enemy by putting the bar too high. I'm not saying that you shouldn't have uh, expectations and aspirations. That's of course really important to keep your motivation going up, but at the same time, you need to keep things. You need to limit yourself, right, and try to pursue the right things and understanding and hearing the signals of your body and your heart, right? That you know what, maybe this is not for me, and that's okay. I'm going to find something that's really work for me, and yeah, that's I think that's episode one. If you finish the video, thank you very much. God bless you all. Have a nice week ahead and see you in the next video. Bye bye.